piece. How else do I get this? There's nothing to hold on to over here.
Do we move that over here?
Go ahead.
This is odd. This is going to be a terrible piece, but I don't care. Whatever.
There.
That's not a terrible piece.
Well,
That's a really wild piece.
except it goes around and around and around.
It's a wild piece.
It is not a normal piece. That's true. So how many got over there? 4?
4.
So I need 6 out of this. That's doable. No problem. I don't know why I'm ducking so far back here. I actually can move this closer and look. It's like I'm doing it from a different part of the room. I've had a lot of squarish things, so I think I'll put in some roundish things. What am I going to do with the balloon? I don't know. I'm not going to hit it. Around. So this is the piece I'm working on. What is that weird noise?
Yeah, I hear the teeth.
Am I gonna hit it? Am I gonna hit it? No. Let's give it another little thing here. There, that's not too bad.
You're going to have a new vibration echo on your scroll saw today.
Yeah.
I don't know what that is.
Everything breaks. Oh man, that came off. I'm gonna have to really sand that down.
Oops.
Okay. Okay. So, pretty empty space. I have empty here. I'm gonna come in here, go over there, come back. Don't know what I'm gonna do. Whatever. I'll put in as many clips as I can. finish off the little butterfly ears. I don't know what it is. I'm not very good at that.
That's pretty good.
Might as well come over here, use some of this space. Now where did I want to go out again? I want to go out over here somewhere.
There's the doodle in the middle there.
Let's go back. Let's go down. Let's go back. Go straight. Okay. Some weird arrow-like thing.
Kermit the Frog.
What?
It's like Kermit the Frog. Oh, no, not really.
No, it's an arrow. And then we can swoop it around and out. And give it an extra swoop.
Right.
Okay, so now, this piece, that weird, I don't know, gothic Y, that'll do a lot of good connecting in the middle to hold everything together. A lot of good
Does
things
that have
to
any
look at.
edges on it?
No. No, it's got a lot of good things to look at though, so there's a lot of good things you can find to connect to.
Or so you say.
How many do I have?
I've lost count.
Don't count that little one in the corner, that's an extra. It's a bonus.
That's a bonus. One, two, I'm counting it.
Bonus badly
1, 2,
small piece.
3, 4, 5. Is that all part of one? That's all part of
Yeah.
one. 6.
6, so I need 4
Oh no,
more.
7. You have 2 inners.
I don't count that little one.
Okay, 6 then.
Okay. So this big thing needs to be alone on something. This one will come. Ooh, looks like a dog head right there. See the dog?
Oh yeah.
Laying forward. I don't know if I'll.
Keep him.
His back would be too boring. I'll put a shell on him.
Oops, you're
Well, that's probably what we're
was
hearing.
rattling?
Rattling.
have to quit
My pedal.
Eject.
Okay. I really don't know what I'm doing. Alright, close enough. Start swirling it back.
Dog's getting fat.
Swirl it back. Swirl it back. I'm gearing him up.
Oh, it is a gear.
Closer. Even though it's not part of the dog, gives me a nice look. Looks like coming up this way. There we go. That's nice. Nice, big, weird, easy to see, wild thing. Not too thin. Got a little thin in there.
It's still together good.
I just shouldn't be doing this late at night. I get too careless.
That is an interesting piece.
Okay, so this thing keeps catching me, so I'm gonna
Look at
get
all-
rid of him.
Look at all the knobs in that one.
I know. You know what? I'm gonna cut that knob. That's what I'm gonna do. I mean, I'm not even watching the picture too much. I just cut through a smokestack. I wouldn't do that normally. But I'm gonna cut that knob. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go right underneath the thing, the place, the building. That way, anybody looking for that knob, they'll never find it. Because, I mean, look at it. Does this look like it's part of a knob? Does that look like it's part of a knob? No, of course not. Although now, this was too small, and I got to make bigger pieces next. Okay, I'm at 8, so I need 2 more pieces. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'll get, I think, maybe 4 pieces out of this.
I like the star in that one.
Okay, see now I don't want to cut up this Zeppelin, so I'm gonna go around it and come out over here somewhere and just kind of do some weird stuff around it. And that was probably too pointy of a thing right there. Yeah, you're gonna get mad at me because it's gonna. I'm not really looking at trying to do anything here with this. Okay, good. Get out.
Close to the corner.
I'm gonna get out this way. Okay. Again, a piece that's too small. Which means I have to overcut. Overcut, not overcut.
Have more pieces than you
Cut more.
advertise.
Just cut more.
It's part of the sky, isn't it? It's a
Never
Zeppelin up there.
stops. But there's a good place to come out right here.
Oh, hang on,
I'll
we
go
can
down
look.
there. And there's a good place right here, and then this is a good place right here. I don't know. Looks like one. See now, should this one big piece? Yeesh. I don't know. But this one should come down and out. This one should come down and stop. 3, 4. Okay. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do that. What I said there. There. What I said. Do some socks with feet. Here we go. Flip. Watch. Foot.
There it is. The other side.
Do another foot. We'll do it the other way. Looks like a little guy standing up. Foot. Ooh, arrow. Like the arrow. Diamond shape, diamond shape, diamond shape, diamond shape, diamond shape. Okay, diamond shape. Hook. Need a hook. Hook it around. And then come back around. Hook. Hook. Ooh, getting close, getting close, getting close. Up. Oh, keep going, gotta get out. Okay. There.
each name should have each piece should have a name.
This was back when I was saving the plastic on the back, so I have like 4 different pieces on it. Okay, that worked. Now, should I cut up its foot? Probably. Looks like I should cut up its foot, come down, go out this way. Ooh, right in between those gears. Always fun to come out of gear. But let's do something up here first. Give it a little flower thing.
I think that looks like a cat.
Batman.
Oh, it's a cat sticking his head up.
Fine, it's Catman. And I wasn't going there. Nope, not yet.
More knob. Looks like a wrench.
So that guy's tail now looks like that. See, it's hard. It's kind of hard to tell that that's where the tail would be. See, look, 3 or 4 pieces to
Oh, to peel off.
yeah, to peel off.
Tape is like in one piece.
This is an old one. I've had that sitting around for a while.
I don't remember what the name of the art was.
I like this piece here, and I could go all the way over and take it out, but I'll have to take it out here. Oh, that's what I'll do. Okay, this is fun. So I'm gonna have 2 pieces, the top piece and the bottom piece. They're both gonna be about the same size. I like this. Watch. I got a little room here to play, so I'm gonna play. I don't have to worry about interconnects right now because I know the way this is going to work is they're all interconnected in 30 places. Come back in this up some room. Okay, now I'll do a little knob and then do
Oh!
Wow!
Scared me there. Puzzle blade broke.
So close to the end. Here's the broken blade. There you go.
I think I hit the camera against the light.
There's the broken
It jumped
blade.
so hard.
Now I need to find my blades and
They're into a pile.
throw on a... Oh, and now I'm going to... See? And then I'm going to have a one that's so sharp that's going to be hard to control.
Broke on the very last piece.
I break a blade on every big puzzle. Every
Large piece puzzle.
large piece puzzle. Sometimes 2.
This was
going to cost me money. Okay.
little tiny blade.
Okay.
Change of the blade.
Yeah. Live television.
Or not.
Well. What do you want for nothing? Rubber biscuit? That's an old song.
Are you doing the bottom at the same time?
I'm doing the top, and then I do the bottom. It looks exactly the same as the top. And
down
then
there.
I do the top again, that way it's straight. And I make sure I push it all the way back to seat it all the way back. And then I tighten it up, and then I ding it, because like a guitar string, it will
Loosen a
stretch.
little.
And then I do that, and I can tell that it's
Loosen.
stretched. I loosen the top one and then tighten it again. Now I figure I've gotten at least a...
Higher.
And it got higher. Okay, so now this is where I died. I want to come in here, swirl around, and come out at the same angle. I don't even know if you're watching. I gotta wipe this off. Okay, so I'm gonna come in there, do something. Now this is gonna be a much more heavy blade. You cut different based on how sharp your blade is and how easy it is to push through. Okay, so now the swoop is, I want to swoop kind of out, get back in again. I'm getting there, uh-oh.
Now the trick is to match up the line.
Can you see that?
Yeah, I can see it. Oh, you got
A
it.
little
And
high.
I could hear. I could see when you.
A
When
little
you hit
high, but you can't really see. I mean, you wouldn't be able to, even if you're looking at it, you can't really see where it is. So there you go. That's the end.
It. Good match. Okay.
But then I got this weird corner piece. Okay, everybody knows that's the corner piece, but did you know that this is going to fit into it like that? I mean, that's outrageous. I like that. So this piece has, I don't know, 5 inches, 4 to 5 inches of outside, and this piece has 1. But with a 10-piece puzzle, almost all of them are outside
pieces. Well, you got quite a few insides on this one.
There's a lot of plastic on it. Jeez. 3 layers. Okay. Now let's look at that. Flip it over and let's see how the puzzle, how the cut looks.
Can you get that in there? I'm looking through a camera lens.
Ooh, okay. And I missed pulling plastic off of this piece.
It's because they came off in shreds.
That's my I told you, yeah.
Battery's almost gone.
And it don't have well, you're not going to have battery because it's going to take me forever to pull off the plastic on these pieces. And we got plastic on this piece and plastic on this piece and that piece.
We can't sand it today here.
No, but overall that looks pretty good. I mean, there isn't a piece that anybody else is gonna. This isn't gonna be a piece that you're gonna say, "Oh yeah, that's a springbok."
It's a Lark lock.
I want it to be so that there.
I really like the star. Star, arrow, and that's all in one piece. You got a star, an arrow, a hook, a knife.
Well, I got the feet over here.
Yeah.
I got this weird dog sitting on a pole over there. This guy, he's sitting out. They're all weird, and that's what I'm fine with that.
There's your gear.
Yep.
Okay, that's a good one.
That worked out good.
Okay, thanks.